I'm Professor Flirk. Today we are conducting an experiment to see which is more stimulating, Nickelodeon Magazine or a herring. Notice the subject reading Nickelodeon Magazine is very amused, very entertained, while the subject reading the herring is, well, not. To get Nickelodeon Magazine, have an adult call this number. You'll get 6 issues for $9.97. It has features like Who's News, behind the scenes at Nickelodeon, interviews with really big stars, and a comic book you can't get anywhere else. While the herring just has kind of a fishy smell. Sure, research clearly shows Nickelodeon Magazine is a better choice. To get 6 issues for $9.97, give this number to the nearest adult and tell them to call. And do tell them about today's incredible experiment. On second thought, just give them the number.